All right, day 32 in the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away challenge. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Jake, and we are on day 32 of the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away challenge. This day is all about buying your way in to your Dream 100. All right, in the first video, Russell was just talking about how basically you're going to be not only earning your way in, but you're also going to be paying for ads to your Dream 100's followings as well. Even while you're trying to create relationships with them, you need to be running ads. That way you're pulling people in the meantime. You want to do both. You want to earn your way in and buy your way in, pay for ads as well. And that's pretty much all he's saying, and he's just explaining the concept. Julie's video, she's pretty much just telling you how to set up a Facebook pixel and kind of vaguely setting up a campaign to run ads to your Dream 100, basically. She kind of walks you through the full setup, but she leaves out a lot. If you've used Facebook ads before, you're going to realize how much she left out. But at the same time, it is the basics, so it'll do the trick to get you started. Steven's video. This is pretty much just a Q&A. There were a lot of good questions. 59 minutes of just literal Q&A, and it was going all over across the board. So that's pretty much something you're going to have to just watch if there's anything you need to know in there. Honestly, that's all it is. It's just questions, and he answers them. He did specify one thing that I don't think was mentioned in previous videos. Most of the questions that were asked were actually already answered. Just people, I guess, back then weren't listening very well to what was being said. He went over what the definition of cost, value, and price is, because I guess somebody in the class back then had an issue with saying that it was worth so much and then charging, a fraction of that. So the idea is cost is the cost of an item is what you pay for it yourself, whether it be one time, recurring, whatever. The cost of goods, essentially. Value is what it is worth to the customer. So if it's going to bring $10,000 worth of value to that customer, then it's worth $10,000. And then the price is just what you pay for it, or what the customer pays for it. That wasn't explained in really any other videos, so if anyone else needs clarification of that, like this guy did. Julie's video is also just another Q&A. Hers was pretty long too. I don't remember exactly. Yeah, an hour and a half. Super long. A lot of good stuff were answered in there. She covered a few things a little more in depth, but it was too much to go over and write notes on and report on, because otherwise this would be an hour-long video too. And then Jim Edwards, he's pretty much just going over his fast video script. First thing is big promise, what you're going to be talking about, your shocking statement. The second one is the big idea. The third one is your 3 points and story. Go by the law of threes. So you want to have 3 points in your video that you're going to cover, and then your story to wrap it all up. And then your summary, which is wrapping it all up. And then 5 is your call to action or your next step. That's pretty much how he does his videos. I think he had an example as well. Yeah, he did provide an example of exactly how he would do it, and did do it in his live video here. Yep, there it is. Yeah, nothing crazy cool. This was pretty much a simple day, buying your way in. Literally means buying ads and running them to your Dream 100. Day 32 in a nutshell. But that's it for today. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.